Hey all, welcome back to Fire and Water Cooking. I am Darren, of course, and today I got a quick unboxing I'm going to do of the Bighorn electric pizza oven. Now I've had a couple pizza ovens on this deck before. I actually got one now. I actually got a Gosney Arc XL right here, and it's propane fired. This one's electric, so it's a little different, and it can be used indoors. So let me get this unboxed. I'll show you what it is. I'll be right back.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from fire and water.
All right, guys, really simple to get this out of the box. Everything's pretty much put together. The only thing you're really gonna have to do is put the stone in the bottom, which I'm gonna do in a minute. It does come with this cool little pizza peel. Now this is a 14.6 size inches, 14.6 inches size, so it'll take a 14-inch pizza, no problem. But you can also use this like you can any other pizza oven to sear steaks and cook other stuff in here as well. The cool thing about this, like I said, it comes with your instruction manual, but this is digital, and it actually has different presets. So you can do a manual set, which you can set the temperature yourself, New York style, wood fired, thin and crispy, frozen, and deep dish. So it's got different presets for temperatures on here, which is pretty cool. It does come with this door that you can put on here to help retain the heat and get your pizza to finish quicker. And then also, if you're cooking other things in here, it helps retain that heat to be able to cook your products, your food a lot quicker. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the stone here. And you pretty much just slide it in. It's got little rails here. Let me get so you can get a little closer here. It's got a rail on each side that the stone fits right into and slides right in, fits perfect. Now, like I said, this is electric, so it does have electric elements on the bottom, and it does have some on the top as well. And just like any cooking device, you're gonna want to fire this up before you use it, and make sure you burn off any oils or any kind of debris that may be in there. You want to clean it and fire it up pretty hot so that you can clean off any of the chemicals or junk that's on there from the manufacturing and shipping. So, all right, as you can tell, it's just digital, and all your different settings here. If you use the big knob here to turn, it'll automatically adjust the temperatures and times for you. If you want to set it up manual, you can actually adjust the temperature on both the top element and the bottom element, and you can adjust the time if you want. If you want to adjust it manually, just set it to manual, and then you can push these buttons and adjust the temperature either way. And when you're done with the temperature that you want, you just press the button again to set that temperature. You can also do the same thing when you set the timer. You just press the clock button over there, and then you adjust the big wheel on the right to adjust the time. So what it's going to do when you turn it on, which I just did, it's going to actually count down a preheat time, and it starts at 20 minutes. So one of the things that you should do is give this plenty of time to heat up, because it's got to heat up the stone and the whole interior of the oven. It's best if you put the cover on, because that'll keep all the heat inside the oven till it gets up to 10. So very good tip, just put the cover on when you're heating it up. You may have to go a little bit past the 20-minute timer, and that's okay if you do. Just take as long as you want. I have this set at 750, so originally it took a little bit longer to get up to the 750 than what I had set the 20 minutes for. So, but like I said, it does it automatically. So just make sure, you know, you want your stone and the oven temperature to be hot enough to give you a good crust on the pizza for sure. So, well, I got sick of waiting, guys, so I went ahead and put the pizza in before it got up to the 750. This is a works type pizza, pepperoni, mushroom, and stuff like that. And like I said, 14-inch pie is what this will fit. I used my own 14-inch peel, which is, for me, it was a little bit bigger, held my pizza better. Make sure you go ahead and put your door back in. Like I said, it's good to have that in because it keeps the heat inside the oven, and it cooks your pizza more evenly that way. So it'll also count down once you hit start, push the big button again. The countdown timer will start to keep so you don't burn your pizza. But again, if it's not done by the time, you know, the timer goes off, you can put it back in and turn the pizza and all you want. So the timer is just a suggestion, just to make sure that you're not going to overcook it. So, but if it needs to go back in, just go ahead and do it. There you have it, guys. This is the finished product. Let me go ahead and cut it here. You can see the top really came out good. Bottom there. There's a lot of flour on there, so it's kind of a little bit of a milder crust on the bottom, but it, like I said, if we get that back up to 750, I'm sure we could get a better bottom. Let's see, this one's a little bit better. This was towards the back, so we might have to put it towards the back. So there you have it, guys. Check it out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Check out the Bighorn indoor, outdoor electric pizza oven right here on Amazon. See you on the next one. All right, guys, I did get another one in there right after the first one, so I got a nice cheese pizza in, and the oven had gotten up to the 750 by the time I did that, and it's cooked much faster. Like I said, the big key, guys, make sure you get the oven preheated and the stone as well up to that 750 range or more if you want a nice crispy bottom on your pizza. But if you want to do your presets, you can do the presets, but you may have to adjust those as well. But so far, guys, this thing works great. It's electric, so you don't have to worry about gas. You can use it indoors and outdoors, and I was impressed with it. Works really good and does what it's supposed to do. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and I'll see you again on the next Fire and Water cooking video. And check out the link below to the Bighorn electric pizza oven.